What's uppers? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a fantastic urban adventure from the iconic vessel at Hudson Yards to one of New York City's newest and coolest spots, Little Island. Then we take a leisurely walk through West Village and embark on an epic walking tour all the way to Columbus Circle. Put on your comfy shoes, and when you're ready to explore with me, let's get started. So we're kicking off our journey right here at the vessel. So what exactly is the vessel? Well, it's a massive honeycomb-like structure made of interconnecting staircases and platforms. It officially opened in March 2019, and it quickly became one of the most Instagrammable spots in New York City. It's 150 feet tall. It consists of 154 flights of stairs, 80 landings, and nearly 2,500 steps. Now, if you're wondering why it's called a vessel, it's actually a placeholder name that just stuck. If you missed my last vlog, I talked all about the High Line Park, and that's from where we're resuming our stroll. This is the end of the High Line with Eduardo Cobra's kaleidoscopic art that's painted with his signature repeating squares and triangles that can be seen all over the world. This piece in Chelsea features two of the greatest humanitarians in history, Mother Teresa and Mahatma Gandhi. From the High Line, we head towards Little Island, and we'll actually walk through Hudson River Park. This park stretches for 4.5 miles along the waterfront and is one of the largest parks in America. It's a great place for outdoor activities, whether you're into biking, kayaking, or just lounging by the water. Here we are, Little Island. Opened in May 2021, this man-made island park is like something out of a fairy tale. It's built on concrete pillars that look like tulips or mushrooms rising out of the Hudson River. How cool is that? Little Island spans about 2.4 acres and features a variety of landscapes, from rolling hills to open lawns to winding pathways and cozy nooks. It's a perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Fun fact, Little Island was designed by the same architect who designed the vessel, Thomas Heatherwick. It's part of a vision to create a unique, interactive public space in New York City. And guess what? The park was largely funded by billionaire Barry Diller and his wife, fashion designer Diane von Furstenberg. One of my favorite spots here is the amphitheater, which can seat around 700 people. They host all kinds of events, from live music and theater performances to dance community workshops. It's a fantastic place to catch a show with the river and the skyline as your backdrop. What's really special about Little Island is how it brings nature into the city. There are over 350 species of flowers, trees, and shrubs here, creating a vibrant, colorful environment. It's a great spot for nature lovers and anyone looking to relax and unwind. As we leave Little Island, there's a scenic walk through Hudson River Park. The park stretches along the waterfront and offers stunning views of the Hudson River. It's a great spot for outdoor activities or just enjoying a leisurely stroll. Now we're entering the charming West Village, one of New York City's most picturesque neighborhoods. Bleecker Street is famous for its boutique shops, trendy cafes, and historic brownstones. This street has a rich history and has been home to many famous artists and musicians over the years. Fun fact, Bleecker Street was named after Anthony Bleecker, a 19th century writer and banker. Today, it's a vibrant hub for foodies and fashion enthusiasts. Don't miss spots like the Magnolia Bakery, famous for cupcakes, and the legendary music venue, The Bitter End. There's also Two Hands Korean corn dogs, convenient for a quick and cheap bite. Two Hands Korean corn dog on Bleecker Street in the West Village offers a unique twist on a classic snack. Their Korean corn dogs are known for their crispy exterior and various fillings such as cheese sausage or even squid ink, often coated in a layer of crispy potatoes, spicy Cheetos, or breadcrumbs. These corn dogs are typically served with a range of sauces and seasonings, providing a delightful fusion of flavors and textures. Complementing these savory feasts, the horchata shake from Two Hands is a refreshing beverage inspired by the traditional Mexican rice milk drink. This shake combines the creamy, sweet taste of horchata with a smooth, icy consistency, making it a perfect pairing for rich and savory corn dogs. Now we're heading into Washington Square Park, one of New York City's most iconic public spaces. The park is a popular gathering spot for students, artists, and performers. It's also home to the impressive Washington Square Arch. The Washington Square Arch was built in 1892 to commemorate the centennial of George Washington's inauguration as president. It was designed by architect Stanford White and modeled after the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. The arch stands 77 feet tall and is made of white Tuckahoe marble. It's an iconic symbol of the park and surrounding Greenwich Village. And from Washington Square Park, we'll head up Broadway, one of the most famous streets in the world. Broadway runs the length of Manhattan and is known for its theaters, shops, and bustling atmosphere. As we walk, you'll see a mix of historic buildings and modern skyscrapers. This is like 11 o'clock at night. And here we are at Times Square. The world-famous intersection is known as the crossroads of the world and is one of the busiest pedestrian areas of the city. Times Square is renowned for its bright lights, massive digital billboards, and Broadway theaters. Every year, millions of people gather here to celebrate New Year's Eve and watch the ball drop. Times Square got its name in 1904 when the New York Times moved its headquarters to the Times building, now One Times Square. Today, it's a major commercial and entertainment hub, attracting millions of visitors from around. Final destination is Columbus Circle, located at the southwest corner of Central Park. This major landmark and transportation hub is named after Christopher Columbus and features a towering monument in his honor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more New York City adventures. Thanks for joining me on this urban exploration, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!